Hey Miami, welcome to Andromeda District. As you probably already know, we are a beautiful store located in Coral Gables, Florida, and we are dedicated to the design, installation of vertical garden systems. We also help our customers with plant holders, also selecting the most beautiful plants to create natural and beautiful spaces for your homes. If you are one of our many customers who don't know where to start or don't know if you have the right lighting or the right space, we offer free consultations. We come to your homes, we look at the space, and we are able to make proposals and make suggestions as to what will work best on your spaces. For more information, we ask you to come to our store. Just enjoy the ambience here. It's a beautiful space dedicated to nature and dedicated to designing with nature. Everything we do is 100% organic, also grown here in Florida. And we love to be part of your projects. Come with your floor plans, come with your ideas, even if it's a picture from the internet. And don't assume that you are not good for the plants or you don't have a green thumbs for it. You will be surprised as to how much beauty there is in nature that does not need a lot of maintenance or much from you, but to enjoy it itself, okay? So come on over and reach out to us also through our website, www.andromedadistrict.com. Thank you.